We'll guide you through how to set up your Gmail inbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. If you're not already signed in, enter your email address and password to log in. Once you're in your inbox, look for the gear icon in the top right corner and click on it to access the settings menu. From the drop-down, select See All Settings. This will take you to the settings page with several tabs at the top. Click on the Inboxes tab to start customizing your Gmail inbox. Here, you'll see different categories like Primary, Social, Promotions, Updates, and Forums. These categories help in automatically sorting your emails into different tabs. You can check or uncheck these categories based on how you want your inbox to organize your emails. Next, scroll down to the Inbox Type section. You have options like Default, Important First, Unread First, and more. Choose the one that suits your needs best. For example, if you always want to see important emails at the top, select Important First. After selecting your preferred inbox type, you can also customize the importance markers by scrolling down to the Importance Markers section. Choose to show or hide markers depending on whether you want Gmail to flag important emails for you. Once you've made your selections, scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom of the page to apply these settings. Now, your Gmail inbox should be organized just the way you like it, making it easier to manage your emails. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.